Alright, so anong bago? So we have a new MediaTek Helio G100 processor. 9,000 mAh na rin yung battery niya, so mas malaki. And then, same 12-inch display, pero 90Hz na yung refresh rate niya. So tara, unbox na natin itong TechLife Pod Plus 2 LTE tablet. Uy, may screen protector pa. Nice. So we have a couple of AI cameras here at the back, our power button and volume buttons on the side, our SIM card tray here, and dito naman yung kanyang mga speaker grill, and at the same time meron din sa ilalim, and of course yung ating USB Type-C port. Ang ganda nitong silver variant, ang lakas mga premium, and fingerprint resistant din yung kanyang finish. Okay, so ito na yung home screen and user interface for the TechLife Pad Plus 2 LTE. I'm excited to experience this and share with you my overall thoughts. So again, ang notable improvements dito is yung processor niya, mas malaking battery capacity, at mas mabilis na refresh rate para sa display niya, and others na sasabihin natin sa ating full review. Alright, so this is the TechLife Pad Plus 2 LTE. Follow for the full review. Thank you for watching.